New this morning, we are apparently already breaking records with germs this year before we even hit the peak of the flu or the cold season.
Yeah, the biggest culprit right now is whooping cough. KENS 5's Earl Stoudemire joining us live. Earl, how many cases are we seeing this year, and do we know exactly why we have this huge jump?
Audrey Berry, the Texas Department of Health, has recorded more than 3,500 cases of whooping cough this year. This is the highest number we've seen this early in 11 years. So the Texas Department of Health and Human Services, they say that's 10 times the total number of cases in 2023. More than 85% involve kids, and whooping cough can be fatal for infants. The disease, also known as pertussis, can also lead to pneumonia in teens and adults. Doctors say they believe the reason for the increase is a decline in the number of vaccinations.
In particular, infants are the ones that we are most concerned about because their airways are so small. These illnesses can really cause a lot of respiratory distress. It can cause them to stop breathing, and honestly, they can end up hospitalized or even worse, can die.
Now, this is the second year in a row the Department of State Health Services has had to issue a health alert on whooping cough. Doctors say more than half of last year's cases happened in November and December. Doctors say you should really get kids vaccinated. If you're an adult, get a booster shot, wash your hands, and then if you are feeling sick or contagious during the holidays, please stay at home. Reporting live, Earl Stoudemire, KENS 5.
Good advice.